So now you're going to use your colouring pens to add colour and detail to your picture. Remember, we are only using our red pen, our blue pen and our yellow pen today, because if we need colours such as green, we know we can layer them over the top of each other to create different colours. So what I want to do first is, I can see in the picture of the apple there is a small circle that is completely white, so it's left blank, and that shows the shine on the apple. So I know that I need to leave a little oval here, so I'm going to leave that, and remember that I'm leaving that first. Now we're going to start with our lighter colours. Now if I look closely at the picture on the slides that you'll have in front of you, I would suggest you have it in front of you as you're doing your picture. What I can see that there is some yellow just around the edge of the oval. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my stippling technique to make sure that I start by going around the oval that I want to keep blank. Okay, I can see there's some more yellow here. It's a red apple, but there is, if you look closely, some yellow dots as well. Okay, and I can see that there's a few up here, and I can see there's a few down here as well. Okay, so I've started with my lightest colour. Now what I want to do is I want to now use my red. Okay, so I'm going to, remember, when you want to create a darker area, which is this area of the apple, I can see is darker, you're going to put your dots closer together. When you want to create a lighter area, which is closer to this oval, you're going to space them out a bit more. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to use my stippling technique and just space my dots out quite a bit up here, because it's quite a light area. Okay, don't be afraid to put them over your yellow as well. It's about sort of blending it in a bit. Okay, I'm just going to put the odd one in there just to blend it in a bit, like that. Now I can see that it gets darker up in this corner here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my dots closer together to create that darker effect. And you should be experts at this now as we've practiced this skill. Okay, remember to hold your pen up straight for a better technique. Okay, right. So I'm going to carry on now, spacing my dots out here, but I'm going to start putting them a bit closer together because I'm now coming out to my darker area. And I think I just want a few more yellows dots there. So you can see how you can create darker areas with your red and lighter areas there.